Juicy Jen and JJ here, and there is a severe wreck outside the front of my house. They requested 3 helicopters. Not really sure why. They said 1 car and a motorcycle was involved. 1 helicopter already took off. This one's getting ready to land. Absolutely crazy. I told you, never a dull moment here in front of my house. So many police, fire trucks, ambulances. And it's literally just landing in the middle of the road. Police have it blocked off. Holy cow. This is the first time I've ever seen anything like this. I've seen wrecks galore, but this is crazy. Prayers to all that was involved. It's really sad. It's never a good thing when they request helicopters. Alright, guys. Much love. Peace out.